Artichokes is excellent source of fiber. Do artichokes make you poop? It's believed that the artichoke benefits IBS and other digestive disorders because of its high fiber content, ability to reduce inflammation, and artichoke's nourishing effect on the gut lining and liver. One study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine also found that artichoke leaf extract can be very helpful in relieving symptoms associated with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, one of the leading digestive disorders in the world. IBS is a condition that often causes painful IBS symptoms such as constipation, diarrhea, bloating, an upset stomach, and more. Excellent source of fiber which may help with weight loss. Artichokes are very high in fiber, which is crucial for numerous functions in the body. Fiber keeps the digestive system running smoothly and relieves conditions like constipation and diarrhea. It has the important role of helping the body detox itself of waste, extra cholesterol, sugar, and toxins. Plus, fiber acts to facilitate liver function and make us feel full after eating. Is eating artichokes good for losing weight? Studies have shown that consuming plenty of soluble fiber, like the kind found in artichoke nutrition, is a great way to keep off dangerous visceral fat, the kind that accumulates around your organs and can lead to various diseases. A diet high in fiber is correlated with maintaining a healthy weight and also reduces the risk for serious conditions, including colon cancer, heart disease, and more. Fiber is technically the part of any plant food that cannot be digested. Therefore, it must make its way through your digestive system and then out of your body. Essentially, fiber is a substance that pulls food through your intestines, and without it, you may suffer from issues like feeling overly hungry, constipation, energy spikes and dips, mood swings, weight gain, and bloating. Artichoke's nutrition may help with weight loss because it has the ability to swell and expand in your stomach and intestines, soaking up fluid and giving you the feeling of being full. This makes it harder for you to overeat, and it also helps balance cravings due to fiber's ability to stabilize blood sugar. How to select. In grocery stores, you'll find several types of artichokes available, including fresh artichokes, canned artichoke hearts, and frozen artichokes. A medium-sized artichoke is about the size of a tennis ball, while a small baby artichoke is roughly the size of a golf ball. How do you buy fresh artichokes? When selecting artichokes, the heaviest and firmest artichokes are best. If you press the leaves against themselves, it will create a slight squeaking sound, and this is a good indicator of an artichoke being fresh. How do you tell if an artichoke is good? The artichoke should be a healthy green color, and it should look fresh, not dehydrated. Are artichokes still good if they are closed? Yes, the petal should still be closed. This means that the artichoke is fresh and it will be tender when eating. If you find this information useful, hit the like button, turn the bell notification on, share this, and subscribe to our channel.